Hi, welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk about how can you enable picture-in-picture for YouTube on iPhone. First you need to turn on picture-in-picture from Setting. Open Settings. Tap on General. Then go to Picture-in-Picture. And enable Start Picture-in-Picture automatically. Now you need to download an app. Go to App Store. Search for x.app, link in the description. Download it. After downloaded, go to YouTube and play any video. Tap on Share. Then scroll over to More. Tap on Video Picture-in-Picture. And here you got picture-in-picture for YouTube. You can move it around. Change the size. To enable picture-in-picture for browser YouTube, all you have to do is open Safari. Play any video. Tap on Share icon on the bottom menu. And tap on Picture-in-Picture. That's how you enable picture-in-picture for YouTube on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.